couldn't stop it. Vicki Lures and her husband found their dream home to retire in, bought it back in 1992. This was seen just a couple of years ago. But over the years, erosion has eaten away at the property. About a third of the property line is gone, and experts say it's just a matter of time before the whole house falls into Puget Sound up in Washington. So why won't the county let them take effective measures to save the property? Look at that right there. Vicki Lures joins us right now from the city of Seattle. Good morning to you, Vicki.
Good morning, Steve.
Okay, so your property essentially is being eaten by the sea right there at Puget Sound, right?
It is, yes.
And you have asked the county for permission to make sure there are things people can do who live on the coastline to save their property. What have you asked to be able to do?
We've asked to be able to put up a hybrid rock revetment or anything that will work to protect our property. The hybrid rock revetment has the gravel berm in front, some vegetation in back. So it's a softer measure than something like a seawall or a bulkhead.
And we're looking at some pictures taken in 2001, and fast forward about 9 years, you've lost a third of your property to the sea. And what has the county said? Yeah, we're not going to let you do the rock abutment and the big rocks and the gravel and stuff, but we will let you do something. What will they let you do?
They will let us do soft shore protection, such as planting vegetation, but if you're looking at the photos from now, you can see that vegetation doesn't work.
Yeah. So they're saying you can plant grass to save your property, but you know that the constant erosion from the water is going to chew it all up. Who is behind this ruling that says you can't do this? Is this the environmentalists?
It is. It's Whatcom County has a regulation that goes that direction with the green bureaucrats there, which is against the state regulation that provides for property owners to be able to protect their homes.
Yeah, but if you can't protect your home, there won't be any property left there. It's just kind of a crazy deal. We've got a statement from the county attorney made before the visit this past Friday. He said they still need to evaluate the visit and observations. Whatcom County works with individual homeowners and the Washington State Department of Ecology to balance the protection of private property with the protection of the environment. Both are considered important under Washington law. The county hopes to reach a resolution regarding what sort of shoreline alteration might be appropriate in this case. That from Royce Buckingham, the attorney for Whatcom County. So as I understand it right now, you're still being litigated in a lower court after the appeals court found in your behalf is going to decide whether you get rocks or grass, right?
I think that's the case, yes.
Oh man, that is so frustrating. As a fellow homeowner and property owner, you want to be able to protect your property, but you simply cannot at this time. All right, Vicki Lures, we thank you so much for joining us from Seattle and telling us your story. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Stupid liberal laws.
All right, meanwhile, he was a finalist.